Hey everyone, the holidays are here, so we're going to have your fun in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. We got Chef Valerie from the OUTU School of Medicine, and we're all about a Christmas kale salad. Yes.
Yes.
Now you describe this kale as curly kale?
Curly kale. So
Okay.
you can get some that's not as curly, like a lacinato, or also called dinosaur kale. Of course, there's the ornamental kale that you have in flower beds, but this is just a curly kale, and it's probably the most ubiquitous thing that you're going to find as far as kale in the grocery store.
Okay.
All right, so this salad is a two-part salad, and it is, the kale has been torn, so you can just like very easily tear the greens right off of the rib, and you want to go ahead and discard that rib because that is not palatable at all to eat. And so then the next part is a little bit of oil, and I mean a little bit of salt, like a quarter teaspoon, some orange zest. So if you have this side of the grater or a zester, you'll put a little bit of zest on here and the orange juice. And then you actually physically massage the kale because that helps remove those bitter compounds that a lot of people think they don't like about kale.
Well, there you go. Okay.
And this is an excellent salad for the holidays. If you're asked to bring something, it might be the only healthy thing. So if you're trying to fill your plate with, half fruits and vegetables, this salad's going to help get you there. Okay, so the next part of the salad is the actual vinaigrette. So you have a little bit on here just to kind of, soften the kale. So we have some apple cider vinegar, some canola oil. We're going to do a little bit of Dijon mustard, a couple of tablespoons of that.
Now you're talking. Yeah, I
Yes.
like that stuff. Okay.
We're going to whisk this all together with a little bit of honey, and you do want to measure that honey because it is a form of sugar. Okay, and that can just go right in there. Yep, we got to keep it healthy. There, our honey bear will not stay up. Okay, so this is going to get whisked together. And so in the directions that you can find on the website, it does ask you to put this in a blender, but you don't have to put it in a blender, okay? So we have just grated apple, chopped up the red onion. This is going to get just a little pinch of salt and a little pinch of pepper. So a little pepper, a little bit of salt, and this is going to get tossed together and poured over the salad. So that's your vinaigrette. Now, again, you could have done it in the blender, and this would be like a totally pureed, smooth vinaigrette. But this is super yummy. This is just gonna go, this is a little more dressing than we need for this salad. So this salad calls for 2 heads of kale, and we don't actually have that here in the bowl. So once you have this all tossed together, then you're going to put dried cranberries. Looks a little Christmassy there with the red and green. Some chopped walnuts, or you could use pecans.
Okay.
And then some diced apple.
How about, and you could make this with kids, I bet. They would enjoy
and
this.
you know what? They actually really like this salad because it has the fruit and the sweetness. It's a little bit tart without giving them, Sour Patch Kids or something like that.
Okay.
Okay, and so this all just gets tossed together. We'll just finish it off with a few more cranberries, and this salad is ready to go.
And it goes just like that.
Yes.
Take a look at that, folks. Yeah, it is Christmassy.
It is.
It's very colorful.
Yeah.
Love it. All right, you're going to find this recipe and all kinds of recipe on our website, kgrh.com. Chef Val, thanks for coming in, and thanks for the recipe.
Sure.